What's going on, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are in Canada visiting my buddy
Nick. We're here shooting at the Fit Effect today.
And he is shredded. He's a little depleted, so he's a little bit slow. So if I push him,
Probably fall over.
yeah, he would. No, he's an amazing fitness guy. He's always diced up and peeled. This is an amazing gym located in Paris, Ontario.
Paris, Ontario.
We're doing it easy today. We've only got 3 plates each. I expected more out of Canadians.
Sorry, I'm just dehydrated.
Let's zoom in on the muscles. All right, he's got a couple. All right, let's get set up. All right, so we got 4 lights. We got 1 light overhead. That's going to add some definition and separation on the shoulders. 1 light underneath. 1 ring camera left. 1 ring camera right. That's to add separation on the side. So this light, quads. That light, chest, abs, shoulders. That light, side. That light, side as well. Let's see what it looks like. Take it Good. We're gonna make it heavier for him.
Heavier.
I can't lift that, but he said he can. 5 reps. 5. There you see the placement of 4 lights in a fitness shoot with the dude that has a little bit of muscle. If you learned a new trick, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new videos. And give this guy a follow on Instagram. He's a beast. Very motivational. He always makes me want to eat less. But
You're perfect the way you are.
yeah, he's enabling my big. See you next week.